Google, you've made the mistake of a lifetime. Well, maybe it's exaggerating a bit to get attention, but it did make a mistake and has practically ruined Samsung's surprise. Yesterday, the rumor started buzzing that Samsung will be using the newly introduced MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor in the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus, ditching its Exynos processor at last. Although Snapdragon fans would surely want Samsung to implement the next Snapdragon flagship in the entire Galaxy S25 series, but I think it is excellent news that Samsung is going for the MediaTek Dimensity 9400, which is really a very powerful processor. Instead of using the Exynos processor, which we've already given it many chances, we've given it the benefit of the doubt many times, and it always continues to disappoint us. It turns out that Google, in their DeepMind division, which has to do with artificial intelligence developments and more, made a post on their blog where they are bragging about their Alpha chip, a chip with tremendous artificial intelligence capabilities that is helping a lot in the development of other chips. Yes, this can be a little scary too, chips that can develop other chips. So, while they were bragging about the tremendous capabilities that the Alpha chip has, they wrote the following: MediaTek used Alpha chip to accelerate the development of most of their advanced chips, such as the Dimensity flagship 5G, used in Samsung cell phones, while improving power, performance, and chip area. That was the original release, so all this started to make a lot of buzz and news started to come out about it. Although some still said that maybe it was a mistake and that they meant to refer to Samsung flagship tablets such as the S10 Plus and S10 Ultra, which have bet on the MediaTek Dimensity 9300. However, Google later corrected their publication and changed the word cellular to devices, which only increased suspicions because in any case they would have chosen the word tablets. And interestingly, they have now completely removed that phrase and it is no longer in the blog post. It seems that someone did not know that this already had to be said, and with this I think it is more than confirmed that Samsung is indeed going to use the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 in Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, a surprise that they were holding back, but we already know it. And as I say, I think it's excellent news. Tokyo Mas Day.